Upbeat music plays. Hey, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the only channel where we help you compare products so you don't buy a steaming pile of, well, you know what I mean. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning with two heavyweights: the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop and the GorFanty Steam Mop 10-in-1 Floor Steamer. Let's see which one can truly steamroll the competition. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite topic: money. The Bissell PowerFresh is priced at a steamy $144. Reviewers appreciate that their purchase also supports pets, making it feel like a donation and a cleaning tool in one. On the other hand, the GorFanty is a steal at just $119. That's right, folks. You can steam clean your floors and have enough left over for a pizza night. Now, let's talk versatility. The Bissell boasts a 2-in-1 design. It's a steam mop and a handheld cleaner, perfect for pet messes. Reviewers note its effectiveness on various surfaces and its quiet operation. Meanwhile, the GorFanty is a 10-in-1 powerhouse. Reviewers rave about its multifunctionality, with 10 accessories making it ideal for different cleaning tasks, although some mention it can be cumbersome for high areas. What about heat-up time? The Bissell takes a mere 30 seconds to get hot and steamy. Reviewers highlight its quick drying time, which is great for last-minute cleaning. But GorFanty takes the crown with a lightning-fast 20 seconds. Reviewers love this feature, especially when they need to act quickly. Let's talk cleaning power. Both products eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, earning them high praise from users. However, GorFanty can reach a sizzling 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which is noted as particularly effective for tough stains. Reviewers for both products agree on their strong cleaning capabilities, but GorFanty seems to edge out for stubborn messes. Moving on to cord length, the Bissell has a respectable 25-foot cord, which reviewers find convenient for reaching around furniture. The GorFanty, however, boasts a 23-foot cord, still impressive enough for most cleaning needs. Reviewers appreciate both for their flexibility, although some wish for a longer cord on the GorFanty. Overall, the reviews for both steam mops are quite favorable. The Bissell PowerFresh is praised for its effectiveness and versatility, especially among pet owners. In contrast, GorFanty is celebrated for its speed, ease of use, and excellent value for money. Both products have their unique strengths, making them popular choices for different cleaning needs. So which steam mop takes the crown? If you're a pet owner looking for a solid, reliable cleaner that supports a good cause, the Bissell PowerFresh might be your best bet. But if you want versatility, speed, and a price that won't break the bank, GorFanty is your go-to. Remember, folks, cleaning doesn't have to be boring. Make it fun and a little steamy. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.